Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly options, but they can present some audio challenges. Understanding the available connection methods is key to getting proper sound output. Most Sceptre monitors feature multiple audio connection options. Let's examine the main ports available on the back of a typical Sceptre monitor. There are four main ways to get audio from your Sceptre monitor. Each method has different capabilities and requirements. HDMI is the primary method for audio output on Sceptre monitors. It's the most reliable connection, supporting up to 7.1 surround sound on compatible models and requiring HDMI 1.4 or higher for full audio support. The 3.5mm audio jack provides an alternative connection method. It's available on most Sceptre models and works well for headphones or external speakers, though it's limited to stereo output. Higher-end Sceptre models may include DisplayPort audio, which offers similar capabilities to HDMI. Additionally, newer 2025 models are beginning to feature USB-C ports that support audio transmission along with power delivery. Keep in mind that many Sceptre monitors have weak or no built-in speakers. The power output is typically only 2 to 5 watts per channel, so external speakers or headphones are often necessary for good audio quality. Understanding these connection options will help you choose the best audio setup for your Sceptre monitor. HDMI remains the primary choice for most users, while the 3.5mm jack offers a reliable backup option. First, verify your physical connections. Ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cable supports audio transmission and is securely connected to both your computer and monitor. Next, configure Windows sound settings. Press Windows+I, navigate to System, then Sound. Set your Sceptre monitor as the default audio device. Update your graphics drivers and monitor drivers. This resolves most audio detection issues. Download the latest drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, depending on your graphics card. If problems persist, restart the Windows Audio service. Press Windows+R, type services.msc, find Windows Audio, right-click and select Restart. Common audio issues include no device detected, intermittent audio cutting out, and poor audio quality. Software-based solutions have an 87% success rate. For gaming, consider switching from HDMI to DisplayPort and enabling exclusive mode to reduce audio latency. DisplayPort often provides better performance for competitive gaming setups.